you can get really complex with box shadows. In this example, notice how we have an offset in the very first line for this box shadow of zeros, followed by a blur of 1, a distance of 0.5 em, and then black. So what we're saying is on all sides, we would like to see something black and blurry. But then you can extend it. You could say, in addition to that, in the upper right, I'd like to have a red color. And in the lower right corner, I could say I want to have a blurry looking green color that extends out a little bit. And then in the lower left, I could say, well, I want to have a yellow color, but there will be no blur. And then finally, in the upper left, a blurry looking blue color, but it doesn't extend out any further than the rest of them. Well, I talked a lot about it, but this is what that would look like. This is a screen capture of this exact definition in play. Notice again, the middle square, which is the div that applied this box shadow, it has a black, blurry border, and in addition to that, in the upper right we have our red, lower right we have our green. Notice that the green extends out further because of the distance that was specified. And then we have the yellow in the lower left. Notice how square that one is with no blur, just like the red in the upper right. And then we have the blue in the upper left that does have that blur effect. This gives you an example of the kind of power that you can have using these box shadows.